This is revision exercise 6. Question number 1 is 2 fives. 2 fives mean 2 into 5. That is 10. And 5 tens, that means 50. 10 plus 50 became 60. 3 less than 786. Now you have to subtract 3. 6 minus 3, 3, 8 and 7. The answer will become 783. 999 dash, then another dash, 1002. It will become 999, so it will become 1000, and then it is 1001. 1 less than 80. Dash tens plus dash ones. 1 less than 80 means 80 minus 1, which becomes 79. Now tens and ones. So it is 7 tens and 9 ones. What comes just before 13 tens? Just before 13 tens. That means 13 10 is 130. So what comes just before? That means 129. 13 into 9. So 13 into 9. If you remember the table, it will become 117. 12 tens plus 7 tens equals to dash tens. 12 10 plus 7 10. Now you can add 12 plus 7 will become 19. 19 tens, that means 90 into 10, which will become 190. 59 more than 500. 59 more than 500 means we will add it. So 9, 5 and 5. Our answer is 559. It is 12 plus 12 plus dash equals to 30. 12 plus 12 became 24. Now 30 minus 24 you can subtract here and you will get 6. So 6. The place value of 4 in 964 is 1, 10 and 100. So 4 ones, that means it will become 4. 900 plus 2 tens plus 3 1. 900, 2 10 means 2 and 3 ones mean 3. 923. 801 and 810. 801 is obviously less than 810. And that's your math. Now we will do revision exercise 7. Question number 1. How many tens and ones make 205? How many tens and ones? If you want to 10, 205, 1, 10 and 100, then how many 10 will you get? 20 tens and 5 ones. So that's what you have to write. 107 plus dash equals to 111. You have to subtract it. This one will become 11, so it's 4, and this one will become 0, so 0, 0. So answer is 4. Write in descending order. To find descending order, you have to find the greater number, which is this. Write down in first. After this, we have to find the next greater number, which is 173. Now in between both of them, 153 is greater and last one is 102, 112. Now 16 plus 20 tens. 20 tens means 200. 200 plus 16, easily you can find it is 216. There are dash days in a year, it is 365, you all know, if it's not a leap year. 760, 100 tens, and in unit you have to decide. Unit is 0, so they give it normally. How many 100? The plus sign will be here, not here. Now 7, 6 tens and 0 unit. 10 less than 140. So you subtract 10, 0, 4 minus 1, 3 and 1. So you will get 130. 12 into 8, write in words. 12 8s, it will be 96. So you can write 96. We will put it because there is write in words. It is written. From 3 sixes, take away 11. 3 sixes. 3 into 6, that became 18. Now you have to subtract 11 from it and you will get 7. So 7 is your answer. 72, 60, 42, 72, 60, 48. From 72 to 60, you have to subtract 12. In the same way, it is also we have to subtract 12. The same way subtract 12 for this also, we will get 36. And it will become 24 and it will 12 in the same way. 60-40 equals to 2 tens. Put plus or minus. If you put plus, it will become 100. 2 tens is not 100, it is 20. So we have to put subtract. 600 is dash more than 500. So you can subtract 600. You can subtract 500 from 600. You will get 100. So 100 will be your answer.